Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Thruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to save audio file from the WhatsApp in iPhone. Recently lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reported how to save WhatsApp audio file on iPhone and iPad. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Here the most important step is first of all open the App Store and latest versions to update your WhatsApp applications and open it. In the WhatsApp, now select the persons which one audio you want to save on your iPhone. In the chat sections, now please make sure download this audio. For save the audio on iPhone, now please make sure press and hold and tap on the forward. Here you can see also right hand side bottom to select the share icon. Here the scroll up and after you can second option is save to files. Now please make sure tap on it. After you can see also where is save this audio on your iPhone. Select the files and you can also change your audio name on your iPhone and iPad. Here I will change my audio name like test. Change the name. Now simple tap on the right hand side corner done and also again tap on the save. Now this question is how to show the WhatsApp saved audio on iPhone. For that, now first of all open the files from the iPhone home screens. Here select the folders. In my case I save this audio on the download folder. Now please make sure open and scroll down. Here you can see also test audio is available on the download folder. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.